Okay, here we are at 5616 McMahon Street. And looks like a complete gut job and rehab. Okay, already opened up the door. So what we have here is some lights on for us. Sorry about that. All right. So we have here a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and it is on the market for $259,999. All right. To keep some of the original details of the home, I would put in a pergo type flooring, new thermostat, new windows. Okay, we have a quartz countertop and new appliances. We really completely redo. Cool hood over the stove. Take a look outside here. All right. Really expansive space, maybe about as wide as the last one I just saw. Yeah, quartz looks really good, really pretty, nice and clean, very, very white. Let's take a look out back real quick since we're here. Okay, got a nice yard. This is a twin, incidentally, and not a row, or I'm almost positive it's a twin. Let's see. Yeah, it is a twin. So we have 2 equal-sized units on each side, and yeah, you got a nice little sized backyard here. All right, yeah, really good. Let's see here, they have probably taken out the Bilco doors. There's a Bilco door perhaps. Yep, looks like it's a no access to the basement from the outside, but let's see what they've done with the property. Okay. It is windy and chilly in Philadelphia today. Okay, so we've got a half bath, I believe, on this level. Correct. Nice and clean. I hate when people leave the toilets up, seat up, when you're doing a showing. I just don't think it makes a good impression. Okay, keep a light there. And let's go up to the next level. Take a look around. All right. Nice feel. Feels very new, almost like a new build. We'll start in the back. Okay, so we have a little hall bath here, full. These showers are just phenomenal, right? I love it. Pretty shallow tub. It's all about the shower here. Okay. That's kind of a crap out on the the closet there. See, I like kept the original moldings, I think, there. These trees all need to be saved from the climbing hydrangea and whatnot that are climbing all over it, weighing down the trees. It's just going to take them all down one day. I hate seeing that happen. Let's see, we do have some lighting in this hallway, but I haven't found the light switch yet. Here we are. So we have recessed lighting throughout the property. Okay. And bedroom number 2, decent closet, and that's it for the closet. So okay sized here. I can't imagine the one in the rear being much more than a nursery. Perhaps an office space would be fine. That's what it is. Let's see here. Okay, bedroom number 3. All right, and this has a A little bit more of a closet space. Your bed. Yeah, you're a little limited here where you can put the bedroom. I don't know that space planning was high on the list of this flipper's agenda. Nice sized bedroom here. Beautiful. Love what they did with the window. I think it's really, really nice. Done some work on the roof. Your neighbor's got some pretty severe depressions there on the roof. They've sided theirs. The mortar, can't really see here, but the mortar looks pretty good on the property. Yeah, nice tile ceilings, really high. Let's see what they did with the pretty tiny closet. So I think you would need armoires or something like that to handle. Yeah, I love the look of those windows. It's a nice little touch. Okay. Yeah, pretty space. Don't see near the number of structural items that I saw in the property that I saw last, which had a lot of shifting in the windows, in the door frames. You could really, really notice it. It was very noticeable, and they did hardly anything to correct it. I think we have a little bit of a slope here, but it's not substantial. But it's definitely, it's there. Let's go down to the finished basement. Okay. Nice that they put the quartz touch, around to kind of tie it all together. It's kind of nice. That's off. All right, let's go to the back. So we have a full bathroom here with shower. Step-in shower. Pretty use of tile. I like it. They didn't go crazy. I love the gold finish on the shower bar. That's pretty awesome. Nice and clean. Maybe we would have put in a little bit deeper of a sink. You had room, but yeah, really lovely. It does have a fan, which is good. Exhaust any humidity out. Looks like we have some systems back here. And yep, so we have light here. Take a look at what we got. Yep, it's a brand new furnace. That should not be up there. And it should this, and this paper should be on anything that's hot. There's your kill switch. Yeah, brand new, really nice. Let's see, I want to take a look at this a little more, just to see what we have here. Let's get it outside. EV-Con. I'll have to look this one up. I haven't seen this model of a furnace, but pretty cool. Gas furnace. Should be pretty efficient. Kill the light. Really expansive space here. So we have a place for a washer dryer hookup. Right on in here. Here's our hot water heater. Water heater rather. Let's see if they've upgraded the service. We do. We have 200 amp service here. Yeah, I mean, really clean job. Not a fan of these doors, but yeah, it is what it is. Nice space. We've got 7 feet here, just barely. I think they just came in right under the wire there. Have to measure to be doubly sure, but yeah. Nice space. All right. When a finished basement's done, it's hard to see any issues because you can't see the beams and the support of the home and the supporting structure and look at the bones. Yeah. So, because this, don't really get that opportunity to get a glimpse, to kind of poke around under the hood, so to speak, but that's okay. They did a really good job. I have it it's so new. You can smell the paint. It's hard to see if there were any issues up in the corners. around the windows, you know, if there is water coming in or there's issues with the roof. But it looks like they did a lot with the roof. You know, to seal it off. Let's see here if there was any information about that. Let's see. And of course, I didn't grab that page, but yeah, 0.05 acres above ground. We've got 19. Let's see. So 1386 square feet. Another 600 added on to that with the basement. It was built in 1925. It has central air now, finished basement, as I said. And pretty nice. Twin, 2.5-story building. Yeah. Taxes here are $1,700 for the year. Actually, this is 2022. Another just, when agents do that, they put in 2022 taxes. It's like, why have 2022? We know what the tax assessed value for 2023 was. Why agents don't update that, I don't know. I think it's just a little shady, so I'd have to find out what the taxes are for this. So that is the story of 5616 McMahon Street, and we'll give, have to look at this a little deeper for my client and see if this might be a fit for them. Yeah, we'll have to see. But this is Lee O'Malley. I am a realtor and real estate agent, and I am with Weichert Realtors Cornerstone, and my office is in Doylestown. I also work out of our Manayunk office in Collegeville, and have Westchester at my disposal too. So if I can help you or assist you in any way, let me know. I'm licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I work in primarily Philadelphia metro area, as well as, if you want to call it Bucks County, being part of Philadelphia's metro area, and then across the river, Hunterdon County is one of my favorite places in the world. And happy to help you sell or buy a home. And let me know what I can do for you. All my information is in my bio. If you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want notifications of when I put out a new video, hit the little bell icon, and you'll get alerts when those come out. So thanks so much for joining me today. Again, Lee O'Malley, Weichert Realtors, Cornerstone in Doylestown. Let me know how I can help you, and look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.